So this is tan collar boy. Careful. This is gray collar boy. You gonna show me one, Yelena? This is rainbow collar girl. This is turquoise collar boy. Yep, that's rainbow collar girl. Thank you, Yelena. This is purple collar girl. Okay, that's good. Careful. Let's see. This is, hold on to him. Careful.
Orange.
This is yellow. Okay, lift it back up, Yelena. Yelena, show me that one again.
This one?
Yeah. This is yellow collar boy. This is light pink collar girl. That's rainbow again. Let's see. This is hot pink collar girl.
Red.
Oh yeah, that's red. Whew, Miss Chunker, red. She's the biggest girl out of the litter. Oh, yeah, I'll hold her. Thank you very much. This is red collar girl. That one, you want to show me that one? This one is tan again. Tan collar boy. That's light pink again. You want me to hold it? Okay, thank you. Yeah. Light pink. Okay. And this one is purple collar girl. Oh, you love her. Yeah, you're giving her a face. And this is turquoise collar boy. This is rainbow collar girl again. And this is red collar girl. I think we got all of them. I think we got all.
No.
You don't think so?
No.
Okay.
This one?
Yeah, this is yellow collar again. And this is hot pink collar. Hot pink. Oh yeah, you love hot pink, Yelena? Yeah. This is tan collar boy again. Aw. You want to show that one? You like that one too? This purple collar. And this is red. That's hot pink again. I think we got all of them, Yuel. You want to straighten up their blanket? Yep. Want to straighten up their blanket? Their whelping box. Got someone sneaking off with a puppy here. What one is, oh, purple again. Puppies are getting tired. They're winding down.